by George and Harold. Dogman by George and Harold. Beep beep. Luke and Andrew's furniture. Oh boy, cops. My new couch is here. She's a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. Chief's office. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops. Come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is going to be great. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Oh man, Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Oh. That cop and that police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? No. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop, but he ain't got brains. Duh. And Greg the dog is smart, but his body is his weakness. Yeah, but what if they work together? That might be a problem. Fortunately, I have got a solution. Tee-hee. Bomb. Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which wire should we cut? Red or green? Grr! Okay, green it is. And so, snip! Kablooey! Oh no! I forgot dogs are colorblind. Wee-oo, wee-oo. And soon, how do you feel, old friend? Rough? Me too. Soon the doctor came in with some super sad news. Boo-hoo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, cop. Rats, I sure hate my dying head. But just when all seemed lost, hey! Why don't we sew Greg's head onto Cop's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. Hooray! So they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it onto the cop's body. What a lucky day! And soon a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed.